In this video, we're going to show you how to make full use of 2D map function of Ecotopia. Instead of simply generating GPS tracks, the interactive map of Ecotopia illustrates data in a comprehensive way. Now, let's log into Druid's new website, druid.tech, and log into Ecotopia Data Center. Click into a deployed device and click Static in the Track section to open Ecotopia map. By default, you will see the track of the animal on the last day. It seems the battery of the device 3966 has sufficient power on June the 13th. Thanks to our boost function, hundreds of pieces of detailed flight data has been collected. Let's try the map plugins on the left side. By default, GPS track is displayed in cluster mode. This mode can show the general trend of where the animal has been. Besides, it can be generated fast, friendly to low-end computers. If you prefer more detailed track, click here to switch to marker mode. You can click it again to hide all GPS fixes. Now, introducing heat map mode, and you can hide the track for better view of heat map. And you can click here to change map mode the way you like. And the rest plugins are for you to explore. Now let's zoom in to see detailed data. Click on one GPS fix and check related data of it from the plugins on the right. Altitude, speed. It seems the animal was moving at a fast speed. Let's try to unfold the charts. GPS data, environment data, ODBA data. I can see this very location is during a journey with very frequent GPS and environment data recording, as indicated by the mark in the charts below. Now let's try longer period. Under day mode, map can display track of up to 30 consecutive days. Again, it could look messy due to large amounts of data. Now we can activate Overview, highlight track of each day with a different color and hide or show a specific day. This is also available under month and year mode. You can also choose to just display the scheduled data or just the flight data. For other device models, you can just choose a specific data type, for example, Argos data. Now, hide the markers. It looks clear, doesn't it? Under month or year mode, by default, you will see a simplified track. However, if you insist on a detailed track, you can choose Complete under month mode. To view an even longer period of detailed data, you can click Compare to add up to 10-month complete track. Note that track of longer period may take longer time. Sometimes we may need to generate tracks for different animals on the same map for comparative study. Again, we can activate Compare for one device and then add it. Then we search for other devices and do the same thing one by one. Now you can see all selected tracks on the same map. And you can color the tracks or choose the mode the way you like. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit online help for Ecotopia. That's all for today. See you next time.